students, welcome back to the series of lectures of mathematics. In today's class, I am going to discuss with you the problems of 10.4 exercise of the chapter surface areas and volumes. Now, while we were dealing with this chapters in so many video lessons, those who have not watched those video lessons, the previous one, the concept videos, the introductory part, the exercise problems till 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, just go to the channel playlist where you will find all of them in an order. Whichever you want to observe, just click on that particular I button. Okay, here now today I am going to tell you 10.4 exercise problems. These problems of this chapter are based on sphere, the three-dimensional figure, sphere and hemisphere. Now, I have dealt with the sphere and hemisphere, the concept and the introductory video lesson. Just click on the I card, you will be notified, wherein I have discussed in that previous video lesson about the concept of the sphere as well as the hemisphere. Okay, now we will quickly jump with knowing the concept. We will quickly start the exercise problems. I'll read out for you. The radius of a sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Find its surface area and volume. Now we have discussed about this sphere. Sphere is a three-dimensional figure. Like examples are also I've given, that is our earth is spherical in shape. If you see a round size of fruits or vegetables, or even the globe, the miniature of the earth is a globe, isn't it? So the globe is round in shape. The balls which you play, use it for your play, those are all in a round in shape. That is a form of a sphere. Those are the examples. Also the shot put ball which you use in the games, that is also a sphere. So sphere, we have discussed the surface area. The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, whereas the volume is 4/3 pi r cube. Now we have only one surface area, that also we discussed in the previous video. Just I'm telling you, just go to the check out the previous video of this, then you continue this video. Okay, here, and that we have only one surface area because the sphere, as I'll show you the model, I have shown it in my previous one. So this is a model of a sphere. This sphere is round in shape, so it will be touching the ground at one single point, whereas it doesn't have any lateral faces. So we only have one surface area. We don't have in particular lateral surface area, total surface area, because it is not having any lateral faces. It is all curved in shape, round in shape, isn't it? So we calculate the surface area of the sphere as well as how much wood. This is a wooden sphere. How much wood it has taken, that to find it we will find the volume of the sphere. So here I'll tell you the solution for this problem. The first problem, the given matter is, the radius is given for us, radius of sphere r equals to 3.5 centimeters, right? So do draw the sphere. We have to illuminate, that's all. This is the radius. So this is a three-dimensional figure, right? Isn't it? Sphere. Now we need to find here the surface area. So the surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. So this is a direct question. We can apply it, the value of the radius. Pi is 22 by 7 into 3.5 square, so into 3.5. So doing the calculation, 7.5, yes. So this is 88, and if you multiply 35 fives, 175 you get. So the decimal point you have to keep from 2, so the 1.75. We'll make further multiplication with 88. 8 5s 40 here, 56 60 here, 8 1s 8 14 here, 8 7 56 6 8 1s 8 and 14. Yes, so that comes to here. So 154 0 0 and the 2 points, so here the decimal point. So that is 154 centimeters square is the surface area of the sphere. Also we have to find the volume. So volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is 4 by 3, substituting 22 by 7 into the r value is 3.5. So thrice. So can cancel off 1.5s. Yes. Now the remaining thing we have to multiply. So this is 88 multiplied by this into this, we got 1.75, again 3.5, the whole thing divided with 3. So we got 175 into 88 as 154. This part we got here. Yes, this part is 154. Again multiplied by 3.5 divided by 3. Now, so we will multiply with 34. 154 multiplied by 35. 20, 27, 2, 5 ones, 5, 7, right? So 3 4s 12, 15, 16 here, 3 ones, 3, 4. So 0, 9, 3, 5. So this comes to 5390 by 2 and by 3 here, right? So do the, let's do the division part also. So we will get the points in. So 3 ones, 3. Yes. 3 8s 24. So 3 7s 21. So 2 and 9, 3 8s 24, 3 9s. 3 9s 27 here. 2 0. Here 3 6 18 you get 2. So you can keep point here and 0. Again it keeps on repeating 18. So we can stop it there. So 1796.66, since it is a volume, so cubic centimeter cube. So this is the volume. Pause it and note it down. The second problem I'll read out for you. The surface area of a sphere is 10182 upon 7. This is a mixed fraction. Square centimeters. What is its volume? Here given the surface area and we need to find the volume of the sphere. The second question solution here. So always what we do, the mixed fraction, change it into the improper fraction and do the simplifications. Here given is the surface area of sphere given as 101. So that's 10182 upon 7 centimeters square. Right, we will change it into the improper fraction. Just multiply and then add. So we'll do the multiplication here. 10187s here, 5s. So 12 1 7 1 7. So we have to add 2. So 7128 upon 7 centimeters square. This is a mixed fraction, surface area of the sphere given. Now this we have to equate it with the formula. The formula of surface area is 4 pi r square. From this formula we will find out the radius. With that radius we will find the volume of the sphere. So that is 7128 upon 7 equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. This r we need to find. So shift all this to the other side. We can cancel off 7 both sides. So 7128 divided by 4. So that is, so 4 into 28 is 88 we can take. So r square. We will simplify it first. So let us take with 8 table first, 8 11s. So yeah, let me take with 11 table directly, 11 8s, okay. So 11 here, 11 6 are 66. So what is left over here? So 5 is left over, 52. Yes, yes, 11 6 are 66. So 5 is left over here, 52 we have, and 11 4s 44. So how much? 8 is left over. So here 88. So 11 8s 88. So directly it is going with 11. So 6 again, 8 table, 8 ones, 8 eights, 8 ones. Okay. So r square is 81. So square root of 81 is plus or minus 9. So we have to take only positive values for the measurements. So 9 centimeter is the r value. Now we have to find the volume. So the volume of sphere equals to 4/3 pi r cube. So we will substitute the values 22/7 where r is 9. So cancel of this 3 ones, 3 nines. So what is left over here? 88. Here 9 nines 81. 81 3s is 243. Yes, divided by 7. So 243 we will multiply with 88. 8 3 is 24. 8 4 is 32. 34. 3. 8 2 16. 19. So 4 4 9 1. So 8. So here 21384. So that comes to 21384 divided by 7. So all the rough part we will do it here, making a partition here. So I'll divide it with 7, right? 7 21384. 7 thrice 21. So drop the 3. So it is lesser, so we have to keep 0. So 8. 7 5s 35. 3 4. So 7 4s are 28 you have. So you get here 6. So point you take 0. So 7 8s 56. Right? Likewise. So 1 point it's enough. So 3054.8. So since it is volume and in centimeters you have all the measurements. So centimeter cube, cubic centimeters is the volume. So what we have done? We have, from the surface area of this sphere, I have calculated the radii. That radius I have substituted in the volume. The third problem, the length of equator of a globe is 44 centimeters. Find its surface area. Now here, our earth is spherical shape. The miniature of the earth, I do call it, we do call it as a globe. Yes. So let us represent this as a globe. This is a, let us suppose it, because it is in spherical shape. Now the length of the equator given. Now that concept you have to understand that the diameter is not the length of the equator. See here, the length will be round here, all this, the circular one. Here we have equator, here we have equator. Round, if you draw a line, it again becomes a circle. So here we need to understand that if I am supposing this as a globe, the length of the equator is not the diameter. Okay, it is in circular shape. Though this is sphere, the length of the equator is in circle shape. So here given the length of the equator and find its surface area. So to find the surface area, we want the radius. Okay. So here, let me draw this sphere. We are illuminating here, right? So if this is the center and this is a radius, so this is the globe. Here we need to understand that this part which I have drawn it in the dotted form, that is nothing but a circle. So this dotted form is the length of the equator. Length of equator is the circle here. So the length of the circle is nothing but the circumference of the circle. Okay. So that is 2 pi r. Yes, it is a circle. The dotted part you see, this is the length of the equator. That is nothing but the length of the circle. Length of the circle is nothing but the perimeter or the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. Now from this is given for us as, what are the measurements given? 44 centimeters here. So we will write it here. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equals to 44. Yes. So we want r. So both sides 44 is there. We can cancel off 44. So R is directly, if you cross multiply, 7. So 7 centimeters is R. So we will substitute here. They asked us to find the surface area. So this is the third problem. So surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. So the r we have found out here. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So cancel off 1. So 88 into 7. Can directly multiply 56 plus 6, so 616. So these are all in centimeters. So centimeter square is a surface area. Pause it and note it down. Let's see the next problem. The diameter of a spherical ball is 21 centimeters. How much leather is required to prepare 5 such balls? Here given clearly the diameter of the spherical ball. Yes, a leather ball. So like that we have to find the diameter, we have to find the leather used for 5 balls. Yes, this is the sphere, leather ball. Okay. Here, given the information is that the diameter of the spherical ball is 21 centimeters. So this, the diameter given as D as 21 centimeters. So we can get the radii as 21 by 2 centimeters. Here. And asked us how much leather is required to prepare 5 such balls. So here we don't have to find the volume because so the leather here, leather to prepare a ball means the outward one, not the inside stuff. Okay. So the leather means we have to find the surface area of one ball first, then multiply it with 5 balls. We get the total leather required for making 5 leather balls. Okay. So that means we have to find the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of sphere. Here our sphere is a leather ball. We will mention it that. Yes. That equals to 4 pi r square. Here given r 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So 7 1, 7 thrice, 2 and 2 goes off with 4. So this comes to here 22 multiplied by 21 threes, so 63. So we will multiply this 63 into 22. 12. So 6 2 1 6 8 3 1. So 1386 square centimeters. This much leather is required for making one ball. Okay. So one leather ball. Yes, this is surface area for one leather ball. Now here we want the surface area for 5 leather balls. So that means 5 multiplied by 1386. So we will multiply here 30 and 43, 4. You get 4 here, 5 3 is 15, 19 here, 5 1 is 5, 6. So 6930. This is also square centimeters. This is the total leather required to make 5 leather balls. Please pause it and note it down. And with this, I'll end the class for today. Let's see the remaining problems of this exercise 10.4 in our next session. Thank you all.